everyone, welcome back to Human Sexuality. This week in Chapter 3, we're going to start talking about the parts of your body that are important in terms of human sexuality and what makes us capable of reproducing sexually. If you think about it, you might think that the penis and the vagina are the most important parts, or maybe even the ovaries and the testes. But in fact, the most important part of our sexual reproductive system is in our brain. You're going to learn about that this week and how the parts of your brain interact with different glands in your body to make us capable of sexual reproduction. Why is it important to understand this? Well, all the research indicates that when young boys and girls who are going through puberty learn about this process, the body parts that are involved, what they might experience, then they tend to have better knowledge and they're better prepared for what they experience when they have their first menstruation cycle, for girls called menarche, and for boys the first time that they have an ejaculation, which is called semenarche. When they have this information, they tend to not be surprised, not be shocked, and they can have more pleasurable experiences learning about their body as they grow. By contrast, when young people don't have this information, they tend to report more shock, more dismay, more unpleasant experiences, and some psychological ramifications such as shame, guilt, or fear. We want to avoid that. So even if we ourselves didn't get this information before we reach puberty, we can certainly do this for kids that are in our lives. These may be kids in your own family, or they may be kids that you're working with professionally. So this chapter is going to get you started being able to talk about this with kids that they are prepared to understand their own sexuality and their reproductive system. I look forward to seeing you in the class. Bye for now.